Tracking affiliate sales automatically without spreadsheets is easier than you think. If you're tired of manually updating numbers, doing calculations, and managing multiple platforms, this video will show you how to simplify the process and save time. Stick around because I'll also give you an exclusive way to try out the software we'll be using for free, just for you, the viewers of this channel. So, you've probably tried a few different solutions already. Maybe you've used spreadsheets or tracking software, but none of them felt quite right. You've likely been frustrated by manual entries, data inconsistencies, or outdated features. Well, today we'll fix all that. We're going to use software that can automate your affiliate sales tracking. With this software, you can connect your affiliate programs, track sales in real time, and generate detailed reports, all without a single spreadsheet. The key here is automation. No more relying on manual inputs, and no more worrying about missing sales or incorrect data. The first step is signing up for the software. When you go through the description below, you'll find an exclusive free trial to get started with this tool. This is only available for viewers of my channel, so be sure to grab that if you're serious about automating your tracking. Once you're logged in, you'll want to connect your affiliate accounts. The software integrates with most of the big affiliate programs, like ClickBank, Amazon Associates, or even smaller ones, so you can easily track everything in one place. Simply follow the prompts to link your accounts, and the software will start pulling data automatically. Next, you'll set up your reporting preferences. You can choose how often you want reports, and even customize them to track specific metrics like clicks, conversions, and commission earned. You don't have to do any of the manual number crunching anymore. The software does it all for you in real time. You can also get notified when a sale happens, so you don't have to check constantly. This can save you tons of time and effort. Plus, you can have all your data neatly organized and accessible on your dashboard whenever you need it, whether you're at your computer or on the go. What really sets this software apart is how intuitive and simple it is. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started, and once it's set up, it requires minimal maintenance. That means you can focus more on creating content and driving sales, while the software does the heavy lifting. Now let's recap. You learned how to track affiliate sales automatically without spreadsheets using a software that integrates with your affiliate accounts, generates real-time reports, and sends you notifications when sales happen. No more mess, no more manual work. Before I close off, remember to take advantage of the exclusive free trial linked below. You'll be able to follow along and get started with your own automated tracking right away. Your key takeaway here is that automation is the game changer when it comes to affiliate sales tracking. Stop wasting time with spreadsheets and let the software do all the work. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more actionable tips on streamlining your affiliate business.